Question 1. Kirchhoff's first law is which of the following? 1 kCl, 2 kVl, 3 both 1 and 2, 4 none of the mentioned. Answer: kCl. Kirchhoff's current law. Question 2. Kirchhoff's laws do not apply to circuits with 1 parameters that are distributed, 2 parameters grouped together, 3 elements that are passive, 4 nonlinear resistances. Answer: Kirchhoff's laws do not apply to parameters that are distributed. Question 3. kCl is founded on the idea that 1. A node has the ability to store energy. 2. There can't be any charge accumulation at a node. 3. At the node, charge buildup is possible. 4. Accumulation of charges may not be feasible. Answer: there can't be any charge accumulation at a node because any charge that enters the node must exit immediately because it is not a circuit element. Question 4. In a network, the algebraic summation of voltages around any closed path equals 1 1, 2 0, 3 negative polarity. Answer: 0. Kirchhoff's voltage law states that the algebraic sum of all voltage around a closed path or loop is 0. Question 5. Kirchhoff law calculates which of the given electric parameters? 1 voltage, 2 resistance, 3 current, 4 both 1 and 3. Answer: both 1 and 3. Kirchhoff law calculates both voltage and current. Question 6. A junction or a point where 2, or more, network elements intersect is called as 1 node, 2 branch, 3 loop, 4 mesh. Answer: node. In other words, a point of connection between 2 or more branches is known as a node. Question 7. What number of equations will be needed to solve the network in nodal analysis if there are a total of n nodes in the circuit? 1n1, 2n plus 1, 3n, 4n2. Answer: n1. Nodal analysis is an application of Kirchhoff's current law. When there are n nodes in a given electrical circuit, there will be n1 simultaneous equations to be solved. Question 8. Which of the following formulas defines kCl, where I1, I2 represent incoming currents and I3, I4 represent outgoing currents from a circuit node? Answer: 1. I1 plus I2 equals I3 plus I4. Question 9. The following are the fundamental laws for studying an electric circuit. 1. Theory of Einstein. 2. Laws of Newton. 3. Kirchhoff's laws. 4. Faraday's laws. Answer: Kirchhoff's laws. Kirchhoff's laws are 2 basic, essential laws needed to perform electrical circuit network analysis. The 2 laws are Kirchhoff's current law and Kirchhoff's voltage law. Question 10. The resistance of an electric circuit is calculated using which of the following laws? 1. Kirchhoff's voltage law, 2. Kirchhoff's current law, 3. Ohm's law, 4 both 1 and 2. Answer: 3. Ohm's law. The resistance of an electric circuit is calculated using Ohm's law. Question 11. Algebraic sum of potential drops across all the components of a closed electric circuit is A. 1, B. 0, C. 2, D. 100. Answer: 0. Question 12. In DC circuit theory, which of the following terms connects nodes? 1 path, 2 node, 3 branch, 4 loop. Answer: 3 branch. In DC circuit theory, a branch is the connection between the number of nodes. Question 13. In a parallel configured circuit, the current value is 1 high, 2 low, 3 0, 4 infinity. Answer: high. In a parallel configured circuit, as the load is connected in parallel, the equivalent resistance of the circuit becomes less, which increases the current in the circuit. Question 14. Which of the following statements is correct? 1. Kirchhoff's law states that the current traveling towards a junction equals the voltage drop. 2. The current flowing towards a junction is equal to the resistance across the junction, according to Kirchhoff's law. 3. The current flowing into a junction is equal to the current exiting the junction, according to Kirchhoff's law. 4. Kirchhoff's law states that the current traveling towards a junction is equal to the sum of all currents in the circuit. Answer 3. Kirchhoff's current law, first law, states that the current flowing into a node, or a junction, must be equal to the current flowing out of it. Question 15. What are the different elements such as resistance, inductance, and capacitance that are used in a circuit called? 1. Parameters. 2. Constants. 3. Both 1 and 2 are correct. 4. None of the mentioned. Answer 3. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Question 16. The algebraic total of all IR drops and EMF in every closed loop of a network is always equal to 0, according to Kirchhoff's voltage law. 1. Negative. 2. Positive. 3. Dependent on the EMF of the battery. 4. 0. Answer: 0. Kirchhoff's voltage law states that the algebraic sum of all IR drops and EMF in any closed loop of a network is always 0. Question 17. The voltage law of Kirchhoff is applied to a circuit with 1. Linear circuit, 2. nonlinear circuit, 3. Linear, nonlinear, active and passive elements, 4. Linear, nonlinear, active, passive time variant as well as time invariant elements. Answer D. Kirchhoff's circuit laws are applicable to linear and nonlinear circuits, passive time invariant circuits, and active circuits. Question 18. In DC circuit theory, which term describes how elements are connected? 1. Path, 2. Node, 3. Branch, 4. Loop. Answer: node. In DC circuit theory, a node term is the connection between the number of electrical elements. Question 19. A circuit is made up of active and passive components, as well as voltage sources, and is solved using a certain theorem. 1. Node, 2. Complex network, 3. Branch, 4. Active network. Answer: complex network. Question 20. In the presence of a magnetic field, are Kirchhoff's laws applicable? 1. True, 2. False. Answer: false. In the presence of a magnetic field, Kirchhoff's law does not apply.
Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. If you do like, then please give it a thumbs up and share the video with your friends and classmates. If you are new here, do subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon so that you will not miss out on the latest lessons and MCQs.